The Nokia Drone Phone 2026 is expected to be one of the most innovative concept smartphones, combining flagship performance with futuristic technology. According to early expectations, the device could feature a stunning 144Hz QHD+ OLED display that delivers ultra-smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and exceptional clarity for gaming and multimedia. It is also rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, providing outstanding performance, advanced AI capabilities, and excellent power efficiency. One of its most exciting rumored features is a 400MP main camera, with concept reports suggesting the possibility of an integrated mini drone camera capable of capturing unique aerial photos and videos. The phone is also expected to include a massive 9,500 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging support, ensuring all-day battery life despite its advanced hardware. Additional expected features include 5G connectivity, AI-powered photography, premium build quality, enhanced security, and the latest Android software. While Nokia has not officially announced a drone phone or confirmed these specifications, the Nokia Drone Phone 2026 remains a highly anticipated concept device that could showcase the future of smartphone innovation if it ever becomes a reality.